Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating and sometimes daunting world of iPhone 13 mini repairs, specifically focusing on a common concern many of us face: LCD replacements. So grab your favorite brew, get comfy, and let's unpack everything you need to know. First up, let's chat about the iPhone 13 mini itself. This little powerhouse is a fantastic choice for anyone who appreciates the latest technology but prefers a device that's a bit more pocket-friendly. It boasts a stunning 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR display, perfect for those who love streaming shows or browsing photos in vibrant detail. And let's not forget its impressive dual-camera system that lets you snap crystal-clear photos and videos, alongside the lightning-fast A15 Bionic chip that makes multitasking a breeze. First things first, if your iPhone 13 mini is still under Apple's 1-year limited warranty, you might be in luck. If the issue is determined to be a manufacturer defect, Apple will typically cover the cost of repairs. If your device still looks new and shiny but has oddly behaving pixels, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support or visit an Apple store for a potential fix. Let's face it, cracked screens can be a real headache. Not only can they impact the look of your phone, but they can also lead to more severe issues down the line. You might start noticing touch responsiveness problems, or worse, complications with the internal components of your device. So, taking care of that cracked screen ASAP is definitely wise. When it comes to getting an LCD replacement, here are a few pointers. First, do your homework on repair shops. It's essential to find a reputable technician who can handle your precious device with care. Spending a little extra time reading reviews or asking friends for recommendations can save you a lot of stress later on. You want someone who not only knows how to fix the problem, but also treats your phone as if it were their own. One important factor to keep in mind is warranty coverage on repairs. Be sure to ask about this. Having a warranty means if something goes wrong shortly after getting your screen replaced, you have some peace of mind knowing you can go back without incurring additional costs. In conclusion, if you're grappling with LCD issues on your iPhone 13 mini, tackling the repairs sooner rather than later is key. Take the time to find a trustworthy repair shop, get a good quote, and inquire about warranties to safeguard your investment. Remember, keeping your tech in tip-top shape not only enhances your user experience, but can also extend the life of your device. Thanks for joining me in this deep dive into iPhone 13 mini repairs. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this with fellow tech lovers, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of technology and happy teching.